Hello everyone. Today I'm here to guide you on how to maintain good relationship with your supervisor. I come across so many students who say that we don't have a good relationship with our supervisor, or my supervisor is like that, my supervisor is like does that, he doesn't help me, he doesn't give me feedbacks, he doesn't help me during my research work, my paper publishing task, or editing my paper. There are so many things I come across. People keep on saying these things. Okay, students, not people, but students, or the people who are associated with research and have supervisors. So so I'll try to help you out on how to have a very good relationship with supervisors. All right. So, maintaining good relationship with supervisor is very important. Why? Because uh, he's a very important person during your research work. You all know that, right? Then he's the deciding factor of your research work. Deciding factor means he will decide whether your research is done or not, whether your research is appropriate or not, whether your research meets the criteria of being granted any kind of degree or any kind of certificate or not, right? Then he plays a vital role in completing the research. That is what I said, right? Now, coming directly to how you can maintain that, how you can have a good relationship. Now, first point is always be polite, sincere, and punctual. So, whenever he calls you, whichever times he calls you, you'll have to be there right at that time. You should not be late even for 1 minute. It's very important. Okay. And whenever you talk to your supervisor, be very polite, don't be rude. Okay. And don't be so much straightforward. Okay, you have to be straightforward sometimes, but even if you are straightforward, be very polite. Even if you are talking to him or her in a very straightforward manner, be very polite. Okay. And be sincere with your work. Okay. I'll let you know why I'm saying this. Second point is be prepared before meeting your supervisor. That is why you'll have to be sincere. Means you'll have to keep working. And whenever you are going to meeting, always be prepared. What I am going to talk to him. What are the results? What are your improvements? Where are you right now? Everything has to be there on the table. Okay. Don't expect that he should or she should ask you about all these things. Be prepared and always be ready to give these informations right from your side, even if he or she doesn't ask you. All right. Now, always have a weekly update report of the work. Update your work properly and update your supervisor every week. Take a time, ask for a time of meeting with your supervisor and give just for giving updates. That these are the works that I did in this week. So that will show a sincerity, the sincerity that you have towards your work, right? And then supervisor will also directly become sincere, and you will start getting inputs from your supervisor, right? Now, like I said, meet at least once a week as per supervisor's convenience. I already said that, because you need to keep a update of your work for every week, and you'll have to meet your supervisor, right? Now, frankly speak about every problem and impediments related to work. Always speak frankly, but be very polite. I already said that. Okay. Then maintain a friendly and cordial relationship. Don't be so, like, when you go to meet supervisor, don't be so serious. Don't be so much like some kind of war is going on. No, it is not like that. Be very normal. Okay. And talk normally. Of course, you'll have to be sincere with your work. But you have to present the work. By presenting the work, you'll have to show that you are sincere. It is not like you'll have to be, oh, I'm going for a war. No, 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 no. You're not going for a war. You're going to the supervisor for a talk, right? Who is there to help you, to guide you in a proper way. So be very polite. Okay. Now, be very polite and be very friendly. Speak, speak like you're speaking to your friend, but Don't be so much free that you even use abusive words, or no, that's not required. I'm not saying it that way. Be friendly, that's it. And in a very good way, friendly in a very good way, all right. Have a good behavior, all right. Then research is always your work, right? But never let supervisor feel that, all right. Always make your supervisor feel involved and engaged in your work, and to always make him feel involved and engaged in your work is by discussing the things, having meetings, discussing him with your supervisor, the progress, what can you do further, everything you'll have to discuss. Then you make him feel involved in the work. If you'll not make your supervisor feel involved, you'll have to face problems. Because and if you say, oh, it's my work, I am doing it and all, no, don't be arrogant like that. He also knows that it's your work. but, but please don't portray it, okay. Please say that it is even your work, and you'll have to make him a stakeholder. You'll have to make supervisor a stakeholder of your work, right. Ultimately that will be your work. You will be presenting your work in front of the external external reviewer for, while you'll be having the viva and all, right. So like that, okay. Now be thankful for every minute things. Be thankful to him, even if he's like if supervisor says, okay, I'm signing this for you, or I'm doing this for you. Be thankful. Be very thankful. Be very gentle and very thankful. It will help you a lot, okay. These are some small tricks, okay. Now tuning with supervisor must be developed at the initial stages of research. When you are starting your research, this has to be done during the first month when you join as a researcher or a PhD student, whatever it is. First month of your course, it has to be established, all right. Even after doing all the mentioned steps that I have right now explained you, you see that tuning is not established. Ask your institute for a change in supervisor. Don't waste time. Time is precious in research work, so don't waste time. If you feel that you have not been able to establish a proper relationship or tuning or understanding with your supervisor, change your supervisor. Be practical, okay. There is nothing wrong in that, okay. And explain him the situation, explain the supervisor the situation, why I'm, because that may even help you to get back with your supervisor. He will understand and he can get back. But if he is not willing to, change the supervisor. No need to stay with the supervisor, all right. And please don't feel shy about it, all right. Like I already said, your time is precious, and to utilize it for proper research work, it is very important, okay. So I wish you all the best. May you all have wonderful relationship with your supervisor, and may you complete your work on time with the help of your supervisor and without getting isolated from your supervisor. All the best.